Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. Let's continue with the tutorials. Now before I continue with the master sheet, let's finish with the registry. We left the total score, promotion, the class score. So we select our first cell under the total score, so equal to. Now before that, when you check the subject SBA sheet, we are adding to total score, the total score at the G, column G. And when you check the total score for all the subject SBA, they are all at G. So you start your equal to sign, settings. Sorry, the first subject on my SBA is RME, so maybe RME J2, because we are talking about the first person over there, plus the next subject is English. Please make sure you write it as how it is. You have named the subject. I use English, I didn't use English language, so that's how I have to write it. So English J2 plus mass J2 plus social you bring your factorial J2 plus science J2 plus 3. You bring your factorial B2, sorry, J2 plus BDT. You bring your factorial J2 plus ICT. You bring your factorial J2 plus French J2. You press enter. See, it has appeared nicely over here. There's our total score. The last time I talked about the position, how it works. So let me just copy and paste the formula over here. As you can see, Amma is first because Amma had the highest total score. Okay, let's come to the promotion. The promotion depends on your total score. For instance, a school may say that if a student had more than 400, that student should be promoted. And if your total score is less than 400, you should be repeated. So I'm using 400. You can set it to suit your own way. For me, I'm using 400. So we use the logical formula. So if K2 is greater than or equal to 400, then what should happen? If it's true, then you bring your open quotation, quotation mark, promoted, then closing quotation mark. What if it's false? Meaning if the person score is less than 400, then you bring your open quotation, repeated, then you close it with a closing bracket. You press enter. So as you can see, Amma's score is more than 400, so she is promoted. The rest, their score is less than 400, so they are repeated. There's one thing we can add to this formula. When you come to the settings sheet, we have semester 1 and semester 2. We have up to 3. I just included 3 maybe for the primary, because you do only the change, you only do changes in the subject. So for instance, GSS, the promotion semester is semester 2. So if we are in semester 1, I don't think the promotion or repetition is needed. So we can add a formula. The saw in which we have the semester is J4. So we come here. You start with a different if. So if you bring your open quotation, if settings don't forget to lock your cell. The single cell should be locked. If Gen4 is equal to two, meaning if it's equal to semester 2, then all this should happen. But if it's false, then we want short dashes, only short dashes to appear over there. We want short dashes to appear over there. So try to understand the formula. If settings, I mean if 2 is our settings Gen4, then it means the promoted and the repeated should appear. But if it's semester 1, then only short dashes. So this is what will appear on the report. When you are doing the report and it's semester 1, we don't normally write, we don't need a promotion and all that, but all the same it is on the report, so we just put dashes over there. This is the meaning of this formula. So you press enter.